So I'm just going to inspect the table, and I quickly snuck upstairs and borrowed my daughter's XV1 Optics, Dr. Hannah Wilkins. Don't tell her, but these are really good so I can look at any imperfections on the table. 5. Oh, look at that. Open mind, Mr. Wilkins, you need a filling there. You've got decay there, you've got plaque there. Maybe I'm meant to look from back here. Oh, actually, yeah. If I look from back here, it's better. Because I guess if a patient's mouth is there, let's see where the focal length is. That's too close. Oh, there. I can make out if there's any imperfections. And do you know what? That surface is as shiny and perfect as if I hadn't sanded it to take out all the dust imperfections. You know what? This table is now finished. Now I'm going to do some video of the table to show it to you. And that's going to be the end of the project. I'm really happy.
Hello, welcome to the workshop of DIY Jase. It's been 93 days in the making. I present to you the Live Edge River Coffee Table, created by...
Cut! Too much smoke! What's going on? You had one job! I only told you to blow the bloody doors off!
I can't work with these amateurs.
Get with it! Blimey, what are we going to do now? Open the window, somebody! Come on! Scene one, take... Just shoot.
Here we go again. It's been 93 days in the making. Measuring in at 2.4 meters by 1 meter. At a height of 0.5 meters, I present to you the Live Edge River Coffee Table, created by DIY Jase. 3,127 minutes of video recorded. 64 hours of editing. 7 episodes. 113 hours of labor, including 45 hours sanding, 9 hours polishing, 9.6 meters of French walnut, 38 kilos of epoxy resin, glass cast epoxy resin by notcut.co.uk, 40 mixing cups, 100 rubber gloves, kinky, 88 sanding discs, 4 polishing pads, 17 festool dominoes, 58 tack cloths. We would like to say thank you to a few people. Rob Thompson, our Twitter buddy, without whom this project would have been doomed from the onset. Jake Wood of notcut.co.uk. He ensured I purchased the correct resin. Thank you for the support and advice, Jake. Thanks for joining us. For further information, please visit DIYJase.com. Twitter, DIYJase. Thanks for your support. We greatly appreciate your comments. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for your support. If not, hit that subscribe button. If you leave a comment, we will respond. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to welcoming you back soon. I'm glad this is over. Give me my money and get my driver.
I just want to say a quick thanks to the voice of Morgan Freeman for doing the voiceover on this video. Appreciate it very much. Scene 1, take 20... Scene 1, take 27. Come on, guys. Let's get it together. Scene 1, take 76. Seriously, how can I work with these amateurs? Scene 1, take 90... Scene whatever, just go. And get it right. Cut! That's it. We're done. We can't say. You had one job. Stop, everyone, stop. Hold it. Let's start again. This is going wrong. Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop. Thanks for watching guys, really appreciate your support. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you leave a comment below, I'll be sure to respond. And if you aren't a subscriber, please consider subscribing. For all the subscribers, Thanks very much for joining me in my workshop. I hope you enjoyed this series. It's been a long one coming, but I think you'll hope, Well, that's it then, guys. This is the series over of my Live Edge River coffee table. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. I know it's been a long one in the making. However, I think the end product deserves, I think the end product looks really good. I'm really happy with the outcome of this project. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you leave a comment below, I will respond. If you're a subscriber, thanks very much for your support. I really appreciate you subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate your support. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing because it really helps me out. If you've got any ideas of what I could make next, please let me know. If you've got any comments, if you've got any ideas about what my next project should be, if you've got any ideas what my next project could be, please do leave a comment below and I'll be sure to check them out. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks very much.